In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to refresh your TradingView chart, so stay tuned as we make this process simple and efficient. Refreshing your TradingView chart is an essential skill for keeping your data current and ensuring you're making decisions based on the latest information. So, let's get started. First and foremost, you want to make sure you are on the TradingView platform. Open up your chart, and here's a crucial reminder. Before performing any refresh, it's always wise to save your work. Saving ensures that all your custom setups and notes are preserved and can be easily accessed later. You don't want to risk losing any critical information that you've meticulously gathered over time. Now, once everything is saved and you're ready to refresh your chart, you have several options at your disposal. A straightforward way to do this is by simply using the refresh button on your web browser. This approach is universal and works whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's a quicker method. On a Windows computer, pressing Ctrl+R will reload the page. For those using a Mac, the equivalent command is CMD+R. These shortcuts provide a fast way to refresh without having to navigate away from the keyboard, keeping your workflow as seamless as possible. Additionally, another quick and handy shortcut is the F5 key. This is a classic refresh command recognized by most browsers and offers yet another way to reload your TradingView chart efficiently. It's perfect if you like consistency in your actions or if you frequently switch between different systems that support this key function. And finally, if you're a fan of using mouse actions, you can also right-click anywhere on the page and look for the option that says Reload Page. A simple click here will achieve the same refreshing outcome as the other methods we discussed. These various options give you flexibility depending on your personal preference or what feels most comfortable as you work. Refreshing often helps to ensure that all data points, especially real-time updates in stock prices or other crucial metrics, are accurately reflected. Remember, the goal here is to make the refresh process as efficient as possible so you can focus on what really matters, analyzing and making informed decisions based on the freshest data your TradingView provides. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, refreshing your TradingView chart can become a quick, hassle-free part of your trading routine. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading!